So now let's see how we can work around with the emboss and find edges inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So to work around with those, I'm going to go around under effects right here, and then I'm just going to go around and go to, let's say for example, not render, but under stylize right here. And over here you can see that I got some effect right here, and one of them is emboss. So if I were to go around and click and drag around the emboss on this particular video clip right here, then I can go around and change down the direction of the emboss, as you can see right here. You can also go around and change around the relief, as you can see right here, and then the emboss effect actually changes around, as you can see. You can change around the contrast over here just like this as well, and blend out with original, as you can see just like this as well. And that is how you can add an emboss effect to it. Apart from that, you can go around and add in find edges effect as well. So I'm going to go to effects and then drag in the find edges onto this particular footage, and this is what you have. You can invert it out as well or get it back. You can go around and change around the blend with the original option right here, and this is what you have, as you can see. And that is how you can work around with emboss and find edges effect inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.